Been a long day, I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. But you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me, cause it's been a long day. I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. But you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me. Next to me, next to me.
Ciao amici, oggi ci troviamo a Cava Usai. Cava Usai che è molto conosciuta perché stranamente vicino alla località di Villa Simius è un posto dove, tra virgolette, è consentito fare sosta libera, soprattutto per i camper. Cava Usai si trova all'estrema punta sud orientale della Sardegna, vicino a Capo Carbonara, sotto la stazione meteo dell'Aeronautica Militare. È un posto bellissimo, cava di granito dismessa negli ultimi 500 anni, non lo so, poi le notizie, questa la taglio, non vi occupate che la taglio, devo rifarla, l'ultimo pezzo, e rifaccio un nuovo pezzo, lo faccio a pezzi, taglio in collo, un salto, diventa non più un videomaker ma un salto. Va bene, bellissimo posto comunque ragazzi, da vedere.
Been a long day, I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. But you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me, cause it's been a long day. I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. But you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me. I wish I was with you, like can I convince you to come drop the addy, I'll pull out like tissue. I don't want no preview, yeah, give me the sequel. I murdered a kitty, no desert like eagle. Let me come show you what I'm about. Leave my kids dancing in your mouth. And if you ready, I'm heading towards the south. Half a bed, we can hit it in the couch. Turn the knob, have you dripping like a spout. Slurp it up like you Kelly in a drought. Switching routes, hit the G and make you shout. But it's all in my head, why can't you just get out? Why I think about you now, I have no clue. Thinking about us in the clouds, drinking soju. You laugh at my jokes with a snort that is so you. There's more to your beauty, can I get to know you? Been a long day, I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. But you stuck in my head, I don't know why. Wish that you were next to me, cause it's been a long day. I just wanna lay down and sleep on my bed. But you stuck in my head, I don't know